2001, one film took you deep into the underground culture of Los Angeles street racing and launched a worldwide phenomenon that everyone knows by name. Now, the original cast returns to where it all began for the all-new Fast and Furious you've been waiting for.
Just like old times.
Fast and Furious is about sacrifice, it's about revenge, it's about family.
What's to stop someone from telling them you're a cop?
The same thing that's keeping me from telling them why you're really here.
Ultimately, it all has a lot to do with adrenaline and the addiction to it. The stakes are higher.
I think there's a sense of responsibility to the fans to take it to the next level.
Dom?
I think that's why it really appeals to a lot of people. Everyone loves that rush.
There's so many great things about this movie for the audience. The action, the cars, and most importantly, the characters that they've loved and waited for.
A lot has changed.
You're right.
The race is on. It's gonna be good.